quality car care, Mr. Best Wrench is my choice.
My family and I come to Best Wrench for the quality of service that we receive.
For quality car care, Mr. Best Wrench is my choice.
Being that they are a local, family-owned business is important to our family, and that's why we come to Mr. Best Wrench.
I come to Mr. Best Wrench for great service and quality car care.
At Mr. Best Wrench, not only do we get great service, but their quality of work is excellent.
There are many options out there for car service. I go to Mr. Best Wrench not only for great service, but quality workmanship.
Our family's been coming to Mr. Best Wrench for over 20 years. I wouldn't even think about going anywhere else.
We always have great service and their quality of work is excellent.
Came out here, moved here 8 years ago from California. Was looking for a great place that could service all our cars. Met Lee and been here at Mr. Best Wrench ever since. First came down here looking for tires, and it was varied between, I got a Hummer, I have a Suburban, I've got a Jeep, and also have a sports car. My wife has a sports car, and they met all our needs for all our tires.
The best part is my whole family can come here for complete automotive care. But for me, the best part about it is outfitting my Jeep. When it comes to custom outfitting Jeeps, there's no other place in the area except for Mr. Best Wrench.
We're a second-generation business, and we've been serving Jacksonville for over 40 years. We know you have many options for your auto care needs, and we thank you for choosing our family-owned business.